Welcome to the outlet shops of the Bluegrass, a day before the lockdown. What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and we already back in the Nike outlets. So let's go check out what do we have here on the returns aisle or the table. And as you can see right here, we got some good ones, starting off with the Jordan 3 Unite colorway. And this one just released, and they had this the All-Star, I believe, and I believe I already unboxed me one of this. And we also got the Jordan 10, and this one comes with a green colorway. And this one is the Hawk. Oopsie. And check that bottom. It's an icy bottom. I like that one, bro. But they got a lot here. So they also got the 6, the 4s, and the 9s. And there's a lot of LeBron down there. And including also this one. We got the LeBron 7 China Moon. Released 2020. I believe this one just they had this LeBron 7 China Moon way back 2009, and after 10 years they re-released this one, and this one has been selling good of the 2009. How about the Jordan satin colorway? Can you please leave the thumbs up? Well, moving on, we got some Air Force One Low, and it is the BHM, comes with a green, blue, red, yellow colorway, and kind of different accent of design though. So it comes all, and this one also got some yellow, we got some white and black, and down here we got some Air Jordan, another Air Jordan of the Fearless pack, and we got some 360 vapormax 360 new release, and they already here on the outlet. Someone just return them. Well, what do you think on this one? And another one 360, kinda nice on the bottom. Well, anyone? How about all of this? What do you think? Okay, moving on, let's go check out this one. We got some Air Jordan, comes with the additional 20%. Boom. Air Jordan 1 Rebel. Well, this one is, wow, $29.97, and then additional 20% and 20% off on the Women's Rebel Jordan 1. Well, can you please leave a thumbs up? What do you think? Huh? $29.97 with additional 20. Next one, we got the Jordan React Havoc, and this one is a running shoes from Air Jordan, comes in $64.97 with the additional 20. Some kind of design that comes with a React better good running shoes. Next one, we got a Jordan Jumpman Team 2, and this one is really good price though, $64.97 with the additional 20% off. Well, what do you think? Can you please leave a thumbs up? Anyway, Jordan Protro React is up, and this one is really good, and the price $59.97 with the additional 20% off. Not bad for that one. A Jordan Protro, nice basketball shoes for very cheap price, $59.97 with a 20. Well, check this out. We got some puffer jacket, and it is retail for $300, and they're selling for $29.99. Wow, that one is really good price for a retail of $300. You can't go wrong for the $29.99 for a jacket. Well, moving on with the Women's airmax 1 SE tartan. Well, what do you think on this one? I want this one, $59.97 with additional 20% off. I wish they could have it on my size, but they don't have it. $59.97 with additional 20% off. Next one, we got the Air More Money, And this one comes with some gold colorway and a black accent, and it was really good for $79.97 for the 20. Next one, the Air Max 2 Light Premium, and what do you think? Huh? $69.97 with the additional 20%. Next one, we got the Nike React Element 87 on $99.97 with the additional 20% off. It is really good price for now, but probably I might gonna wait out a little bit more. Next one, we got the Nike React Element 55, and the price, wow, you can't go wrong on this one, and comes with some kind of gray and green accent. $54.97 with the additional 20. Well, you might not want to pass on this price. Good one. Next, another Nike React Element 55 with a different colorway. Comes with red, gym red, and $69.97 with the additional 20% off. Well, nice and very comfortable shoes for very cheap price. Another Nike Zoom Pegasus Turbo 2 AW. So, what do you think? And they are priced for $109 with no additional discount, but this one, it is really good and kind of hype shoes because they are selling high right now, but I can't resell them. It's still high for now. Next one, we got the Jordan Protro Max 720. Comes with a metallic colorway and price is $79.97 with the additional 20% off. I might gonna grab only size 12 on this one, but not too much. I might gonna get not many as I can. I only get maybe size 12 for now. So moving on, we are here on the hash wall or the clearance wall, and we got some vapormax 2019. Comes with the burgundy, some kind of red, $84.97 with the additional 20% off. Ooh. What do you think? Nice one, right? It is already cheap. Moving on, how about this one? Nike Air Max 95 Essential, selling for $119, then additional 20% off. Probably, maybe not. How about this one? Air Max 720 Waves and $79.97. I'll pass for now. We got some Tailwind, and it's a Tailwind for SP 89.97 with a 20 though. Nike Labs Zoomfly SP, nice running shoes right there. Next one, ooh, what do you think? We got some Air Max 720, and it is selling for $89.97. This one comes with a little bit red and blue colorway, and it is really good price and color. Do you find anything you like? Can you please leave a thumbs up? Well, another Jordan 312 colorway, black and red, and this comes with some kind of black white cement, and they are selling for $69.97 with the 20% off. Okay, moving on. Ooh, we got some Focus, Mamba Focus right here, and they were selling for $74.97 with the additional 20. Next one, we get some LeBrons, and this one is the Monster LeBron. Comes with the Lakers colorway, as you can see right there, and the side of the bubble and the kind of violet something going on, and the LeBron. Here you go, and they're selling for $149 with the additional 20. Okay, moving on, we got the Air Force 17 NTAQS. Comes with the white, black, racer blue colorway, and they're selling for $119 with the additional 20% off. This one comes those extra laces and also comes with a pentel pen. This is what we picked up, so let's take it out from the bag or the plastic bag, shall we? There we go. So not much though, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 different kind of shoes, but I have multiple on that one, 2, 4, 5 on that one, and only each on this item. So let's move on with the Air vapormax 2019, and the colorway on this one is the burgundy ash colorway with some kind of red on the bubbles right there. Nice color though. And how much did I pay for on this one? And the retail on this one is 190. Pick them up for $84.97 and the additional 20% off. And we pick a few from 9, 9.5, and 1, 8.5, and this one is size 10. So that's all that I grabbed, or maybe I think it was only the leftover. So not bad for the price and not bad for that one. And moving on, you can see right there, so we got the women's airmax 1 SE tartan. Colorway is black and university red. So when you see the price on the outlet is $54.97 with the discount. Classic airmax 1. You can see right there the Nike Air, the bubbles, and this one really impressed me. I wish I could have this in my size, even though it's a woman's, and I like this one. I don't know, but you can quote me or anything, but this one is really, I wanted to have it. I don't have one Air Max 1 in the collection yet, but I'm hoping this could be my first. I like this one. So it's like kind of something like the Burberry design. So what do you think? I think that's the one. Give a like, thumbs up. What do you think? Well, $54.97 with the additional 20% off. Not bad for those. So I only pick up 8, 8.5. So I stay away from the bigger size and I stay away for the smaller ones because the comps are good, price are good. It can 30 to 40% ROI, but some of them are not good. Moving on. So as you can see, also this one's included in the 20% off. So women's Air Jordan 1 Rebel X. Colorway is the black sail, burly rose, and retail is $145. And check out how much did I get them for? $29.97 with the additional 20%. Well, I picked them up just for probably giving away someday, but not for now. Just putting on the side, reserve it, and there you go, because they are already cheap and it's a Jordan 1. Boom. And some kind of leather, synthetic leather, I guess. So what do you think on this one? Can you leave a thumbs up? Yeah, there's some kind of zipper right here, and the Rebel, some kind of different blazing, you already know. And there's the basic bottom. Well, the price alone is not bad for this one, so I picked up just one. I'm not gonna resell this one, so this one going to be in the giveaway someday when we already hit milestone. So reserve that one. And another one. So we got Jumpman. That means we got some Jordan. So we got the Jordan Protro Max 720. The number 23 right there. Colorway is metallic, silver gem red, and retail is 200. Well, boom. So what do you think on this one, huh? So the comps are good. Some are bad. Smaller sizes. That's why I only pick up the size 12, and it's only the size left. So I left behind some of them because I knew it's gonna drop the price, but the size 12 might gonna gone soon, so I'm gonna keep this for resale, and I'm gonna stick to the price that I wanted to, because it is a size 12. And look at that one, the huge bubble all around, the 720. Wow. And a nice color is the silver bullet sometime, and the strap on the back, and the lacing system, not bad at all. And as you can see, well, so what do you think? Can you leave a thumbs up? well, okay. Well, so what do you think on this pickup? We got the Air vapormax 2019, airmax 1, Jordan 1 Rebel, and the Jordan Protro Max. So which one is the best pickup of them all? So what do you think? Can you leave a thumbs up? Alright, and that would be all on this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.